What happens when a man loses his wealth, his family, and even his health? What happens when suffering lasts not days but years? This is the powerful story of Hazrat Ayyub al-Islam, the prophet whose patience became a timeless lesson for humanity. Hazrat Ayyub al-Islam was a righteous prophet blessed by Allah with wealth, land, and a large family. His life was filled with gratitude, worship, and kindness toward the poor. But Allah destined for him a test that would shake every part of his life. Ayub lived peacefully among his people, known for his generosity and devotion. His land was fertile, his livestock were many, and his home was filled with children. Yet Allah was preparing him for one of the greatest trials ever faced by a prophet. Suddenly, his wealth began to disappear. His children passed away, and his body was struck by a painful illness. His condition became so severe that people began to distance themselves from him.